welcome. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, we're going to be unboxing the Walmart beauty box for spring 2020. This is a free beauty box, but it does cost $5 for shipping, so $5 beauty box. Let's get right into it and see what we've got this time. I did get an email though that they are going to be upgrading their system, so we should get our next box in August, and I don't know, maybe it'll be a little upgrade. We'll see. Let's do this. Wait, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, click that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. All right, now for the good stuff. Here's everything that's in my box. It is not packaged very well. That's the first thing that came to my mind. The first item that I'm pulling out is a toothbrush. This is a charcoal infused toothbrush with tapered bristles, and it is a soft brush here, but it's the brand Hello. So this will be interesting to try. I do have the charcoal toothpaste by this brand. I don't know if it's good to use charcoal toothpaste with a charcoal toothbrush. I'll have to look into that. But naturally friendly, BPA free toothbrush. So I guess beauty does start with your smile, so I should probably give this a try. Okay, so this is actually a set, Hello toothbrush and Hello toothpaste, so I guess that answers my question about do I need to use my toothbrush with charcoal toothpaste. So this is with hemp seed oil and coconut oil, and it is spearmint, and I could smell the spearmint through the packaging. It smells really minty good, so. But this is not a charcoal toothpaste, it's just a white toothpaste. It's minty though. So yeah, a Hello toothbrush and a Hello toothpaste set. The next item we have up here is a spray deodorant by Degree. And this is the Ultra Clear Black plus White. So you can wear either a black outfit or a white outfit, and it should not smear on your clothes. This is a hygiene box, I'm noticing, so. Okay. It smells like baby powder. I can't like really do the baby powder smell. So far I'm a little bit disappointed. I cannot tell a lie to you guys because you know me, okay? So the next item we have in here is a hydrating toner. This says it's enchanted with witch hazel. No, I like enchanted, but it's actually, sorry, it's actually enhanced, not enchanted. So this is enhanced with witch hazel and rose water. So it's an alcohol-free toner. Let's see if it smells like rose. No, it just smells like witch hazel. So that's what we got here. So here is the lip oil. This is a lip oil from NYX, and the name of this shade is Thai 005. I can't put my finger exactly on what that smell is though. It's almost like a wannabe vanilla buttercream frosting, but it's just like not quite there. But okay, so our first makeup product, and that was like pretty much the last item in this box. It did come with a magnesium supplement. So here is our magnesium supplement, raspberry and lemon flavored, so naturally and vitally calm magnesium supplement. So that's everything that I have in my box. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. And until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!